Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to talk about our Nihilo Concepts Fuel Pressure Tester. This is a very important tool that you should have at the track or at home when you're trying to work on your motorcycle. This will help you diagnose possible fuel pump issues. This tool is made right here in Florida with high-grade components. It's got a Continental heavy-duty fuel hose with an anti-chafing sleeve on the outside, OEM-style connectors, and an American-made gauge. This tool is very simple to use. All you got to do is locate your fuel connector, disconnect it, connect your fuel pressure gauge, next thing you want to do is crank the bike over. When you start the motorcycle, you want to see an even climb of the needle. A healthy pressure is typically 3.5 bar or 45 to 50 psi. I'm going to give you a little tip. After you shut the bike down, the needle should stay put for several seconds. If you see the needle drop down, that means there's something going on with your fuel pump. After you're done with your test, all you got to do is simply remove the tester, plug the fuel line back on, and you're ready to go. This is a very important step. It's going to help you keep your tool healthy, and it'll make it last a long time. After you're done with your test, you will notice that there's a little bit of pressure built up inside your gauge. This is normal because of the type of connectors KTM uses. What you want to do is you find your male connector, take a rag, lift the gauge up, push the plunger down, and drain your fuel. And that's how easy it is to test your fuel pressure with our Nihilo Concepts Fuel Pressure Tester. For any information, visit us at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching.